female. Good trait.
Not that important. I would say...
You've achieved so much, boys. What else?
I'm losing my mind, losing control.